Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video I'm going to be showing you the server room clean out and rebuild because I have to repair the floor. So let's get started. Okay, so here I started cleaning up the server room so that I can start stacking stuff, so that once we get everything out we're going to fix the floor here. This is going to probably take quite some time to not only back up all this, pack up all this stuff, but also being able to start to, once we get everything out of here, I have to shut all this stuff down, just so that we can start ripping up the floor. Have to figure out how to, moving this desk shouldn't be a problem. It's this one here that's the corner one. This is the one where it's going to be the hardest because that hutch is oddly shaped. The desk part of it, once the hutch is removed, shouldn't be that much of a problem. Currently editing a video that I'm uploading right now when this is being filmed. I have to seriously take into consideration a lot of different things. Just because I just got a lot of stuff. No other way to put it. I have a lot of stuff. And I got to move these cabinets, the bookcases. There's just a whole bunch of stuff. All the different models I still have to do, all the hardwares, there's just crap everywhere. The one thing I will say is that when I start putting this stuff back in, I'm definitely going to look at throwing crap away. I've already started doing it, but it's kind of like anything else. It's like, oh, I may need it. Well, I'm going to look at it as, guess what? If I haven't used it, it's going in the trash, because I'm not going to deal with it anymore. Here is where I put some of my games and other stuff, just because, like I said, I need to get stuff out of there. Like I put a lot of the board games back. Like here's Ascension Year 3, I think. That one's Year 2. So, because I had the stuff because I was sleeving it when we were working from home. And then here's some boxes of my packages of gray, where it's like these figures need to be worked on. Some 3D printed stuff that I did, plus some WizKid stuff. Yeah, I've got like a lot of stuff. There is the iStar USA D-214 MATX. The only difference between this one and the one I'm using for the download machine in my server rack is the fact that this has two 5 1/4 inch bays, where the 213 only has one. This Sam's Club box is a oh crap. I have a bunch of cables and stuff in it. These two thick ones have Doom the board game, the original, and The Walking Dead All Out War Miniatures game. That has the newest Doom, and there's my Night of the Living Dead. So that's pretty much, the way I'm looking at it, is that I have to pack this stuff up, figure out a place, and then we've got like a bunch of crud here that we got to get rid of. Some stuff over there, just so that we have room to like open the doors and be able to do all that kind of stuff. I got to get those batteries taken down to advanced auto, so that I gotta make sure they're even open. Those are some of the lead acid batteries from some of the battery backups. That one with the yellow top right there, that was actually in our Verizon OTN box that got replaced one time. I'm surprised that thing hasn't gone bad, and I hope it never does. So that's pretty much what's going on with this for right now. I'll keep you guys updated by showing you like what all I've done. Like there's the network cables I was using for that over there. I packed up the little switch, and I have to pull all this stuff out. The patch panel there at the top, I'm going to have to take it out and hang it up here because of the wires, because I really don't want to try to repunch them down. I know I have to redo one wire that goes up to the living room because that wire I messed it up. But that is the status right now for this, and stay tuned for more, and have a good day.